What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video.
We've missed you.
Yeah, we have been kind of MIA for a little bit, and that is because we just work our butts off.
And we say that every video, so you're probably tired of hearing it, but...
Honestly though, like, I can say we work our butts off a lot, but we honestly do. And if you can tell, we are actually dressed up kind of nice today. And that's because we just finished our last huge project, which was Nick, the Bird Lacquer's Raptor. We just wrapped it in a really, really cool design. If you guys haven't seen that, definitely go check it out.
So you guys probably read the title. Yes, something happened, but I don't want you guys to be sad about it. So I'm actually gonna tell you in a happy voice.
So someone ran into me in the Range Rover. It got in a fender bender, and I'm actually pretty bummed about it.
You're too cute.
You guys are wondering why the heck we have this balloon in the first place. This is actually from our 1-year anniversary from like 6 months ago.
In June.
And I've been saving it for a video, and I figured this would be the best one.
So guys, Clayton and I were just having a night out on the town. We were just going to get dinner. I was inching out in the road to go, and the lady behind me thought I was going, but I wasn't, and she ran into me in the back of the bumper.
I can't take it anymore.
All right, is this getting old yet?
Yes, it is. Put the balloon away.
All right, fine.
So the lady left unrepairable damage, unfortunately, which is the big bummer about this, which means we would have to repaint the whole bumper in order to get these little scuffs out. This is actually after we've polished it, so I'm actually was very angry at the time. So
yeah, could have been a heck of a lot worse. We could have got T-boned.
That.
Or rolled. We could have rolled and had a tire. We could have had like a tire blowout and rolled down the canyon or something, but
That's
no,
true.
we had to have a 0.5 mile an hour bump.
Yes, but the bump, this bump specifically, is gonna cost us up to $800 to fix. I'd rather use that $800 for something else on the car, like wheels.
Yeah.
Like new wheels or a wrap, you know? As life goes on, it's okay, we'll deal. I'm actually thinking that I'm just gonna cover that up for a little bit and block it from my mind and just wrap the whole car instead. Do you think that's a good way to solve life's problems?
Yeah, just covered it in vinyl. Just
Yes.
wrap it. So you guys saw the damage. It's really not that bad. Faith used the term unrepairable, but it is 100% repairable. She was just saying you have to pay a bunch of money to repair it, is what you're trying to mean, right? Yes. So there's 3 options that we can choose from for fixing the bumper. The first option is just to like sand away the paint and have a paint shop re-spray this area and blend it. Second option is to get a whole new bumper because there is kind of a little dent there. You can barely see it, but it is technically damaged. So that's the most expensive option. The third option is just to wrap the entire car and forget it ever happened. And I think I know which option Faith wants. And it's raining outside.
You guys, we're supposed to have a pool party today.
Yeah, we're going to a pool party later in the Cayman and it's raining, so...
I don't know how that's good. Anyways, so those are our options. I'm shooting for number 3. I've already got my color picked out. Clayton, don't tell him. Don't tell him. The color comes in on Monday, which means you guys get to see a rap video coming in soon. Are you getting tired of me saying how excited I am to wrap this?
She tells me, I'd say every 30 minutes or so.
Yeah, I'm so excited to wrap it.
Oh, Clayton, have I mentioned like how excited I am to wrap this car? Yes, like 50 times today.
We're gonna wrap the car. I am currently trying to figure out the wheel situation.
Oh yeah. So these wheels right here are 22s, right, Faith?
Yes.
All right, so they're 22s. I'm thinking we do like 24s. We bump it up a little bit. We do 24-inch wheels with a little bit skinnier profile wheel. But the problem is I don't really know any companies that make 24-inch wheels. Like I've never had a vehicle that needs 24-inch wheels before. So if you guys know any companies or work for a company that makes 24-inch wheels, hit us up on Instagram, Summit Auto Lab, and we want to get some cool wheels on your mom mobile.
Say 24-inch wheels one more time.
24-inch wheels.
Okay.
Why?
You said it like 8 million times.
Well, I really...
I am not a mom. I don't know what you're talking about. This is a cool mobile, not a mom mobile. Yes.
That was a pretty mom thing to say.
It's not.
This is a cool car, you guys.
This is not a mom, guys. This is not. Stop it.
You have TVs in the back.
You and your farmer truck out there.
Yeah, I'm proud of it. Yeehaw.
And that's Utah for you. It's already sunny out for our little party.
It was just downpouring literally 3 minutes ago.
Classic Utah.
So that was the update on the Range Rover. You guys all took bets on what was gonna break first, and none of you guessed that the back bumper was gonna break first.
That's not a fair game.
Okay, nothing's broke. Okay, somebody just hit us. We have a really cool invite-only supercar meetup pool party thing, I guess. We need to take the Range Rover across town, pick up the Cayman, drive through this weird weather, and go to this cool car meet.
I love me some supercars.
And we're off.
We're off.
All right.
She's unplugged and ready to go?
Yep.
If any of you have ever wanted to wide body your car, here's reason one of why you shouldn't. It's a struggle. He has to go up and down to go up this hill. Ooh, heard some rubbing. Reason two.
This car's so loud.
It's very loud in here from the airlift. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love driving this car now?
10 being it's the best car in the world.
Yes.
I'd say 2.
2? That's about right. That's how Sal feels, at least. Sal does not like this car at all. Sal, I have good news. We made it.
It's gonna be loud.
Looks like we're not the first ones. All right, I'll just wait. So as I was saying, we're not the first ones here. There's a lot of pretty cars. So does that mean you're completely aired out when it's all zeros?
Aired out, 0 pressure. Oh, Faith already
Cookies
found the
before
cookies.
dinner.
Yes, don't mind if I
That's
do.
my kind of car meet. Let's go look at all the cars that I want.
So, go tell me some things you like about the Aventador.
Everything. 100%.
Well, no, one thing. What's your favorite thing?
The front end.
The front end.
And the rear end.
And the rear.
sides.
And the center.
And the top of the car are really cool.
Is that the Aventador that was in our video a couple videos ago?
The salvage title one? I
Yeah,
think
this is the salvage title one that's for sale right now. Dude, you never, ever see Diablos. Are you getting ideas? Faith, are you getting ideas right now?
Well, I'd like the views to tell me how I look next to this.
Okay.
How do I look?
Guys, leave in the comments below how good Faith looks right now next to a first-gen Gallardo. Could you guys see that in a future thumbnail?
Yes.
I think I could. Yeah, that wing is really interesting. I don't hate it.
I could eat my lunch on it.
How does this look for a thumbnail? Like, I bought a GTR.
Oh my
Pretty good? I bought a Viper. That's Viper. Ooh, how about a new R8?
There's a lot of R8s in Utah. There's not a lot of 599s though.
Ooh, yeah, how about a 599?
Are you proud of me for knowing that?
Yes. Good job, good job. Hey, we know this one.
Oh, isn't this a Stradman?
This is a Stradman's. So this is just the first stop in our Supercar Splash Pool Party Supercar Extravaganza. So we're all meeting here and then we're ripping up north of Salt Lake City to this really cool house that has a pool. It's like a full catered dinner and everything.
Oh yeah.
Jeez, I feel kind of lame with our doors here. Like,
so we are in the back of the line because the Cayman wouldn't start. So we're just gonna go straight there and get everyone pulling in. We got a little bit of a traffic jam. Oh my gosh! Can you guys believe this? Look at all the Lambos. Look at all the Lambos. So if you guys remember this house with the waterfalls, we filmed at this location about a year ago.
all right, well, I parked the Cayman up here on the hill because I don't have a Lamborghini. I need to join the Lamborghini crew so I can park in the driveway down there.
That's not why you parked up here. Ishmael wanted you to park in there, but I told him you were scared to go backwards on the driveway down.
I was. Honestly, that driveway is such a crazy curve. I didn't want to get stuck down there too, and airing up and airing down is such a pain in the butt.
It is.
But I mean, look at this view. I mean, this is sick.
a good view, guys.
And we're almost at golden hour right now. Most of the people here we have not seen in months on end, so I know that once we go inside, we're just gonna be chit-chatting for the rest of the evening. The video's not gonna turn out well if we go inside and start filming. So I think we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Yeah, it was kind of a bummer, but it was also kind of cool. We got to see some of the Utah car culture in the video.
Guys, stay tuned for next week. We will be wrapping the Range Rover, which means we have a video to film for you guys, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah, we finally have more videos to upload. We're gonna upload a little bit more regularly, and yeah, we are wrapping Face Range Rover. The vinyl's in the mail as we speak. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, peace.